Yes. Good morning, everybody. I am Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to discuss about the Fourier series. The Fourier series is nothing but famous mathematician Joseph Fourier derived this method. So, when he working with the heat equation, that time he derived this Fourier series concept. Basically, this Fourier series is based on the period apply only for the periodic functions. So we convert that wherever the waves comes. So for example, in in oceans, sound waves, and then in earth waves, and some more places. There and all we use the Fourier series concept. That is the waves and all having that we can convert into a mathematical equation. That mathematical equation is based on the sine waves and cos waves. Why we choose sine waves and cos waves means nothing it is. So we use only for the periodic functions. So this is the basic introduction for this Fourier series. Next our students will discuss about this Fourier series. Yeah.
The mathematical foundation breaking down complex waveform. Fourier series provides the mathematical framework to decompose any periodic function, sum of simple trigonometric components. There are complex function, mathematical equality, simple components. The complex function, any periodic function f of x with 2 pi. Mathematical equality expressed as the infinite series. Simple component expressed as sum of sine and cosine waves. The decomposition reveals the frequency content of complex signals, making it possible to analyze, filter and manipulate them with unpredictable precision.
Yes. So basically nothing. It is how we are writing the given function. How we are converting into mathematical equation. The basic things only we discussed here. Okay. Yeah. Next, please explain about the Fourier series.
He is the French mathematician, name of Joseph Fourier equation. The next originally developed for heat conduction equations, packed debates about function converters, laid foundations for modern harmonic analysis. Today, Fourier insight from the backbone of digital signal processing, quantum mechanics, and council and technological processes.
Not only in the mathematical field, it is basically used in many engineering field. There is signals and systems, control systems theory. So whatever it is, many engineering circuits, wherever we use the circuits, there we are using this Fourier series concepts. Yes. Next.
The core mathematical concept, the Fourier series expressed in a periodic function as a combination of the fundamental two-unity building block. There are DC component, cosine term and sine term. The DC component, the average value of the function over and complete the period, the physics meaning of baseline or offset level. Cos terms, the even harmonic that coordinate to the function symmetry. Coefficients are determine the amplitude of each frequency. Sine terms, all harmonic that create the asymmetric component frequency little multiples of the fundamental frequency. The f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation infinity of n equal to 1 an cos nx plus bn sin x.
Okay, so this is the basic formula we are using for Fourier series. F of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So this here the a0, a and bn, these coefficients only we call it as DC component, cosine terms and sine terms. So what are things we are using in this? We are discussing here. Okay. Next. So this is a basic waves forms. Okay. So step by step example we can discuss now. Yes.
Step by step example we can see the square wave decomposition. There are 4 steps. The first step is define the square wave. The second step is calculate coefficient. The step is construct the series, and then fourth step is observe convergence. The first step is finding the f of x. F of x equal to 1 for 0 less than or equal to x less than pi, and f of x is equal to minus 1 from for pi less than x less than 2 pi. The second thing is calculate coefficient. Due to odd asymmetry, a0 equal to 0, an equal to 0, bn equal to 4. And the third one is construct the series. How to find the construct the series? F of x equal to 4 by pi open bracket sin of x plus sin 3x by 3 plus sin 5x by 5 plus. And then for last one is observe convergence, adding more terms prospectively approximately the square of the values.
In engineering field, the EC department having some signal processing applications. So please explain about this now.
Signal processing applications. So we have 4 applications, that is mobile communications, medical imaging, wireless networks and radar systems. So first mobile communications, digital filters separates voice signals from noise, enabling crystal clear phone calls. And the next is medical imaging. MRI and CT scanners employ Fourier transforms to reconstruct detailed internal body images from frequency domain data. And the next is wireless networks. OFDM technology uses orthogonal frequency division method multiple data streams into available bandwidth efficiency. And the next is radar systems. Doppler radar uses frequency shifts to detect moving from weather patterns to aircraft navigations.
So finally we can come to a conclusion. So Fourier series is basically we used in many fields. Heat transfer, diffusion. Basically, it is derived from heat equation. We already discussed. So in this, this building, we are building designs, electronic cooling, material science, geophysics. Not only with this, some of field also we are using this Fourier series. It is a basic foundation for the Fourier signals and systems and circuits, control and circuits. That concepts and all.